This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cocktail mixing glasses, specifically these Bar Luxe cocktail mixing glasses. There's two sizes, the 17 and the 30 ounce, and they're available in either the plain or with the diamond pattern. They're an excellent way to step up your cocktail game, especially for those wonderful classic stirred cocktails. They feature a beautiful, sleek design that's very classic and traditional. And they have a wonderful built-in spout that's going to be perfect for pouring stirred cocktails, allowing you to mix up and serve your guests at ease. The hand-blown crystal features this lovely faceted design to show off your drinks as well, giving you just that little extra bit of sparkle with that diamond pattern. They're perfect for bars or hotels, for use at catered events, or just if you're looking to step up your entertaining game at home.